Good morning, children. Welcome to the online class. I hope all are healthy, fit, and happy. So, we have already started our English classes. Today, we will continue our English class. So, what did we do in our last class? We have learnt about Raksha Bandhan part 1 and also learnt about our two characters, that is Krishna and Draupadi. We also learned that how Krishna and Draupadi became brother and sister. Do you remember it or have you forgotten? I'll tell you in short. When Krishna got wound and his wrist was bleeding, Draupadi tore a strip of her silk saree and tied it to the wrist of Krishna. So, from that moment, Krishna vowed or promised to protect Draupadi as his sister. So this Krishna and Draupadi became brother and sister. So children, you must keep reading every day. Since in school you would read it repeatedly, at home you must read every day. Now we will start with the lesson called Raksha Bandhan. Children, if you have textbook, turn to the page number 2. This is your page number 2. So children, read line by line along with me. Shall we start? Two girls meet on the street while going to the market. Let us know what they talk. Vani. Hi Suma. Where are you going? Here, two girls. That is me and my friend. So you are a girl, you meet another girl, and so they are going to the market. Where they are going? They are going to the market. Let us know what they talk. So we are going to see what they talk each other. When you meet your friend, you will talk to your friend, right? The same way, here two girls meet each other. Tell me the name of two girls. Who are they? It is given here. They are Vani and Suma. Tell me again, who are they? They are Vani and Suma. So we are going to read that what Vani and Suma is talking each other. First, Vani tells, Hi Suma, where are you going? So here, Vani asks Suma, Hi Suma, where are you going? So it is a small conversation with two friends. What is it? It is called conversation. Tell me conversation. 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 What is conversation, children? When two people speak, that is called conversation. Repeat again. Conversation. Tell with me. Conversation. So we are today reading about conversation. Okay, children? So here, Vani greets her friend Suma. Hi Suma, where are you going? Suma, I'm going to the market to buy Rakis. What Suma tells, even you tell your friends when you meet them, correct? So here, Vani is greeting her friend Suma by saying her hi. So Vani asked Suma, where are you going? So Suma said, I'm going to the market. Why she is going to the market? She is going to the market to buy Rakis. Suma tells that I'm going to the market to buy Rakhi. So children, what is market? Market is a place where you get everything. So what do you get in the market? You will get fruits, vegetables, clothes, sweets, etc. Isn't it? So here Suma going to buy Rakhi. What is Rakhi? Do you know? Rakhi is a thread. Rakhi is a thread. I had taught you in the last class. Do you remember? Okay. Rakhi is a thread. Next. Vani. What is Rakhi? Vani asks Suma, what is Rakhi? Then Suma. It is a symbol of love and affection. It strengthens the bond between brother and sisters and cousins. A Rakhi is made up of thread and it is colorful. Look it. I have bought some with you. So here Rakhi is tied by sister to the wrist of a brother. Okay. In return, what the brother will give? The brother will give gift, sweets. Okay. So the sister will tie Rakhi to his brother, to her brother. So Vani asked, what is Rakhi? Now Vani is asking Suma, what is Rakhi? Suma says, it is a symbol of love and affection. I have told you in the last class. Love means caring. Same like your parents cares you. Affection means liking. Same like your parents likes you very much. It is called liking. So here Suma says, it is a symbol of love and affection. It is a symbol. Symbol means, what is a symbol? Symbol means mark. When mummy beats you, if you does any mischiefs, there will be a mark or symbol on your skin. That is the mark of your mummy's anger, love for you. Same way, the thread which they will tie to your wrist. Do you remember wrist? Wrist. I have taught you in the last class. Wrist. Wrist means which comes in your hand below your palm is called wrist. Okay, it strengthens the bond between brother and sisters. Strengthens, that means it grows stronger. Okay, it grows stronger. Bond. What is bond? The bond means relation, love and affection between the brother and sister. Okay, bond means which makes the relation strong. So Rakhi is made up of thread. It is colorful. Look, you can see here. So here Suma tells, look, I have bought some with me. So she shows Vani a Rakhi. Vani says, what do you do with that? Next, let's see. Vani, what do you do with that? Suma, tying of Rakhi is known as Raksha Bandhan. It is believed that a person who is presented with the Rakhi promises to protect the sister. Affection between brother and sister is thus established. So, here Suma tells that children, the person who ties Rakhi or presents Rakhi promises to protect the sister. So, here the sister ties Rakhis to the wrist of brother. The brother will, in return, he will promise that he will take care of the sister. So here Suma tell, I tie it on to the wrist of my brother and friends like Raju, Deepu, Arun and others. Suma tells, what is tie mean, children? Tying Rakhi. Tie means to hold things together using strings. It is to tie. You know, you will tie your shoelace. It is holding your shoes. Okay. What Suma does, she ties it on the right wrist of her brother, friends and cousins. Who are there? They are Raju, Deepu and Arun. So children, in last class I have said you that we must understand brother and sister not only mean our own brother and sister. They may be our anybody who shows us this kind of affection, the feeling towards us, tries to do good for us. We can treat them as our brother or sister. Okay, children, even a friend can be a brother or sister. So, here, Suma tells, I will tie the Rakhi to my brother and friends. So, Suma, tying of Rakhi is known as Raksha Bandhan. What is Raksha Bandhan? Raksha Bandhan is a festival where sister ties Rakhi to the wrist of her brother. So, Raksha Bandhan means tying Rakhi is known as Raksha Bandhan. It is believed that the person who is presented with the Rakhi promises to protect the sister. Affection between the brother and sister is disestablished. So, here the brother promises the sister to protect her. Okay, Vani, please tell me more about it and I will also celebrate the festival. Here Vani tells, tell me more about Rakhi. So I will also celebrate it. So here the word established, it is a new word for you. Tell me again, established. What is established? Established means have done already. It is existed. It means always there. You have built on it. That is to build something. You build your house just like that. Love is built between brother and sister. This is called established. Okay. Remember the word established. So next, Suma wants to know more about Raksha Bandhan. So she asks Suma that, Vani asks Suma that, tell me more about that. Suma, Raksha Bandhan festival is celebrated every year in the month of Shravana. Sister carries sweets and Rakhi in a plate with Aarti in it. They tie Rakhi around the wrist of the brother and give sweets. The brothers give gift or money to the sister in return. So in Raksha Bandhan, during Raksha Bandhan, what the sister does? Raksha Bandhan festival is celebrated every year in the month of Shravana. So children, I had told you in the last class, Raksha Bandhan is celebrated during the month of Shravana. That is, Shravana is between July to August. So this year, which date the Raksha Bandhan was? It was on August 3rd. Tell me when? August 3rd. So it is celebrated on the month of Shravana. So how do we celebrate it? Sister carries sweets and Rakhi in a plate with Aarti. Aarti means what? It in a plate keeping lamp is called Aarti. You can see here. Okay. See. Then next, what the brother will give in return to the sister? He will give a gift, money or sweets to the sister in return. Okay. Next, Vani. Fine, thank you. I will also buy Rakhis and tie them on my brother's wrist. By hearing the words of Suma, Vani decides to buy a Rakhi too and tie it to the wrist of her brother. She decides to buy Rakhi, same like Vani. So, hope children, do you understood?